hamstrings and the lower fibers of our glutes. So I'm going to invite you to drop your feet down. So think big toe, little toes, and then the heel. My knee is right over the ankle. My knees are straight out over my big toes. I'm going to find my deep core by taking an exaggerated breath. Shh. When you shh, you'll feel your core engage. Hold that core engagement. Big toes, little toes, heel, flat foot onto the ground. Now I just want you to think about pressing both feet into the ground and notice what happens in your hips. They get lighter, right? They don't lift. We're not bridging up. We're just taking a little weight off by pressing our feet down. Now the intention for this is to feel the lower fibers of your glutes contract. Now if you're not feeling it, like I am not feeling it right now, really ground your big toe into the ground. Press the feet down. See if you, oh, there we go. Big toe will help the brain find those lower fibers. So press the big toe, feet straight into the ground. Put your hands down here and see if you can feel those muscles contract, right? It's not the butt cheek squeezing in. You'll feel these fibers not be loose, but fire. Great. Now if you're feeling it, think about pushing the knees out over the toes. That will raise you a little bit, take a little more weight off the roller. Ground those feet down yet again, keeping the glutes and the hamstrings contracting. They're what's doing the work. If you can't, if you're losing it a little, think about maybe pushing the feet out away from you just a touch. Knees out over the toes. Press the feet down. Each time you press intentionally the feet flat to the ground and the big toe to the ground, it should decompress a little bit more weight. So you should be feeling it more back here than you are up here. Press the feet straight down. Knees go out one more time. And then drop your weight back down, go right back into it. Press your feet straight down to the ground. Make sure you're feeling the fibers here, not all the work being done here. Knees out over the toes. You'll feel yourself decompress more. Feet straight down to the ground again. It decompresses your weight. Knees over toes. Feet straight down. Knees over toes. Feet straight down. Isn't this lovely? Knees over toes. Feet straight down. You're decompressing the weight. Keeping all the action being done primarily here in the back side of the glutes, back down, right back up by pressing the feet into the ground. We're not engaging from here. We're not lifting from here. We're lifting from the pressure of our feet to the ground. Back down one more time. Press those feet into the ground. Hold it. Now let's think about pressing the right foot to the ground. Don't let the left hip drop. Press the left foot straight down into the ground. Don't let the right hip drop. Press the right foot into the ground. Don't let the left hip drop. Yep, you're feeling that, I'm sure. Press the left foot into the ground. Watch, don't let the knees go out. Keep them going straight out over the toe. Don't let the right hip bone drop down. Press both feet into the ground. Find that even plane of the hips again. All the work's being done back here. And then drop your hips back down. Ugh. Go ahead and bring both knees into the chest for just a minute. Maybe interlock your hands behind your legs and think about a little straightening the leg. We could call this a little bit of a nerve glide. We're not holding a stretch. I just want you to extend the knee.